In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. So there's basically two ways on how to do this, and the method you need to use kind of depends on what cryptocurrencies Revolut allows you to receive. So right here on your Phantom Wallet, what you want to do first is click on Send, and then select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer to your Revolut account. For example, I'll use Solana. Now from here, you then need to open up Revolut. And on Revolut, go to the crypto tab in the bottom and click receive. Now, as you can see for me, I only have the possibility to receive Bitcoin. Now, if for you there are more currencies listed here, such as Solana, then that's great and you can just select that cryptocurrency. But if it's only Bitcoin, then it's a bit more difficult, because on Phantom Wallet, it's often kind of difficult to get your crypto in Bitcoin unless you already deposit it as Bitcoin. But for me, for example, I have Solana, and that Solana I cannot swap to Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. So if you have this problem too, then what you will need to do is go through a different centralized exchange, such as Bybit, Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, or any other trustworthy exchange. For this example, I'll show you how to do it on Kraken. So on Kraken, you do have the ability to receive Solana. So what you can then do is click transfer, then deposit, and from there just gonna select Solana, and then just copy your address, go back to Phantom Wallet and then paste in your address, then click next, and I'm just gonna transfer the Solana to the exchange. And then once it shows up on the exchange, what you can then do is on the exchange, for example, Kraken, Binance, again, it can be a bunch of different ones, you can then just swap the cryptocurrency you got from Phantom Wallet into Bitcoin, and then you will be able to then withdraw that Bitcoin to Revolut, since Revolut does allow you to deposit Bitcoin. So right now I'm just converting into Bitcoin, and now what I can do is click transfer, then click withdraw, and then here select Bitcoin, and then for the network also select Bitcoin. And now what I can do is choose how much I want to do, and then for the address I can now paste in my Revolut wallet address, since Revolut does allow me to deposit Bitcoin. So I'll just go and add the new withdrawal address right here, and then just select it, and from there just click withdraw. And then through an extra step, you have now also withdrawn the Bitcoin or the crypto onto Revolut from Phantom Wallet, but often you will need to do it through a different exchange, unless you already have Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet, or you have the ability to receive Solana or a different cryptocurrency on your Revolut account, which I personally don't. As you can see, I only have Bitcoin. But if it is supported, then you can just skip the middle step and you can just do the same process by getting your wallet address and then pasting it in on Phantom Wallet for the same cryptocurrency on the same network, and then it will just be deposited directly onto Revolut. So for Bitcoin, it can take a few minutes to show up, but now you know how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.